Welcome back to the BodyMaitre podcast. I'm Derek. This is episode 2 of our series, Mastering Gratitude with 4 Bodies. In our last session, we anchored gratitude into the physical body. Today, we move deeper into the emotional body. This is often the hardest body to offer gratitude to. We are taught to judge our emotions, to label them as good or bad. We often think that to be spiritual, we must always be positive. But in the BodyMaitre system, we understand that every emotion is a messenger. Your anger is a boundary. Your fear is a desire for safety. Your sadness is a measure of your depth. Today, instead of fixing your feelings, we are going to thank them for their service. Find a comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Let's begin. Before we begin, let us gently create a safe and supported space. I invite your higher self, your spirit guides, and the collective angelic support aligned with love, clarity, and truth to be present with us now. Please surround this space with protection. Support this meditation with calm and steadiness, and assist in any clearing, healing, or guidance that serves the highest good, with full respect for free will. There is nothing you need to sense or perceive. Just allow the quiet knowing that you are supported and not alone. Now, allow yourself to arrive right where you are. You don't need to be calm. You don't need to be positive. You don't need to feel grateful yet. Whatever state you are in is welcome. Let yourself be here in this moment without pressure. Bring your attention to the breath. Notice how it flows in and flows out on its own. Feel the weight of the body being supported, held without effort. Let the body remind you that you are safe enough to feel. Now gently turn your awareness inward toward your emotional space. You don't need to identify what you feel. You don't need to name it. Simply notice. Is there a sense of heaviness, tightness, movement, or stillness? Whatever is present is allowed. The emotional body does not need to hide anymore. If thoughts arise, trying to explain, analyze, or judge what you feel, let them soften. For this moment, the mind does not need to understand emotions. It only needs to make space. Allow the mind to step back and rest. From this gentle space, we turn toward the emotional body, not to control it, not to fix it, not to make it different, but to acknowledge it. This emotional body that has felt for you, protected you, and tried to guide you through every experience in your life. Begin by sensing the emotional body as a whole, not as a story, but as a field of sensation. And gently, silently, or out loud, begin to offer gratitude. Thank you for feeling for me. Thank you for alerting me when something was not safe. Thank you for showing me what mattered. If emotions arise now, sadness, anger, fear, numbness, or even confusion, there is no need to push them away. You might gently say, "Thank you for trying to protect me. Thank you for your messages. Thank you for staying with me even when I didn't listen." Bring gratitude to emotions you once judged. Thank you to the sadness that taught me depth. Thank you to the anger that tried to protect my boundaries. Thank you to the fear that wanted me to survive. Thank you to the joy that reminded me of life. Allow gratitude to reach even the emotions you wished you didn't have. They were never wrong. They were never weak. They were signals trying to guide you. Now notice what happens when gratitude meets emotion. You don't need to change how you feel. You don't need to feel better. Just notice how appreciation softens resistance. How being acknowledged allows the emotional body to exhale. Let this sense of gratitude spread gently, naturally through your emotional space. This gratitude is now known to your emotional body as safety. It is known to your physical body as relaxation. It is known to your mental body as permission to stop judging. And it is known to your spiritual body as compassion. This state is gently sealed across all 4 bodies. When you feel ready, begin to sense the space around you, the sounds, the room, the quiet support beneath you. There is no rush. Bring this softness with you into your day, into your interactions, into your relationship with yourself. Your emotions are not obstacles. They are messengers. And when they are met with gratitude, they no longer need to shout. You can return to this space whenever emotions feel overwhelming or distant. Your emotional body has always been on your side. Thank you for sharing this space with me. Working with the emotional body can sometimes release old energy. If you feel tired or sensitive after this session, that is completely normal. Please drink plenty of water and be gentle with yourself today. Now that we have thanked the physical and emotional bodies, in the next episode, we will move to the mental body. We will learn how to offer gratitude for the lessons, the challenges, and even the confusion that leads to clarity. If this series is helping you, please subscribe to the BodyMaitre channel and share this with someone who might need a moment of peace. I'm Derek, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.